Hey, hello everybody. Let me put my video, me and my daughter. So I just wanted to explain what I miss. I went against my analysis, and it's not good. Remember, I'm just coming back to today, right? And I told you guys, the deltas show strength even with a bearish put call rate in those regions. Below 65, weakness, above 69.8, strength. But at the close yesterday, show us strength for today. But I went against my own analysis, right? How the level was really highlighted over here. I told you guys also yesterday, my maximum target is 75. I drop it to 65 because we open with a gap down. But the maximum exploding 85, right? And then we close at 4,381. And my maximum downside 4,320. But look what I told you guys. At 9:30 a.m., 4,350 is a gamma support. So what I miss? Nothing. I just went against my analysis. And consequently, the spread that I opened 4,365, 4,370 didn't play it. Because I went against the deltas. Period. This was my mistake. Okay? The put played out. They receive a lot of money because the market's open with a gap down. Hold at the gamma support, exactly 51.82. Hold at the gamma support. Allow them to close all those puts, and the market's back. Market's back to be traded in the delta range. That during the intraday, you guys already realized that's almost 80% of the day we trade between this range. And at the close, basically after the lunch, they decide to melt up, especially in the 10 last minutes of today, at the trade day today, right? So my miss was going against the deltas setup. What do you have for tomorrow? I didn't look yet for the options book, but the book, the deltas show also strength. Okay, the middle point delta is already above basically 3 points from today close. The middle point is at 4,383. So basically 2 points. So suggestion is a gap up or a flat open. We could see the opposite of today, open with a gap up, allow dealers to close those calls, and then we start to go down. Of course. But tend, market, to open higher. At least the dark pool is pricing a possibility to us to backtest 4,415. Note that today also calls premium printed 68.40% from the total options traded in the dark pool versus 31.60% from the put premium. Okay, so market still complacent with such rally. People still refusing to buy puts. It's what I have been telling you guys every day. We could see the same pattern as today, but the opposite. Yes. Why? Observe that they bought a bunch of calls. It's not a big premium that prints today, okay? It's not huge premium. It's less than $1 million, but all the calls is already have a lot of premium, especially 4,410. It's 53% and off, yeah, especially 4,410. Okay? So we could open tomorrow high and start to see a downtrend, the opposite of today. It's totally normal. I'm just need to wait for the DX and GX that I don't have yet. Yeah, but so far deltas suggests a gap up. You know, dark pool also suggests a gap up, allowing dealers to close those calls. Key level for tomorrow, I will highlight over here, just to you guys understand. The key level, the key support for tomorrow will be 4,380. Also print one order, strike 4,308. So also look where we will start to see weakness, 4,381.7, right? So 4,308 will be the key level for tomorrow, the key support. Okay, so market could you be open and be in trade around, let me change the color to get a little bit stronger. So to and be trading around 4,385, 4,390, and we start to see a rejection, allowing dealers to close those calls and then backtest 4,381, 4,383, and the real movement starts to be printed. Could you be happy? Could you be happy? Could you be the opposite of today? Remember that I told you guys that I don't expect any huge drop this week. Why? Going back for tomorrow, you guys already realized that dealers bought 4,250 puts at the beginning of the month, right? Those order is already more than 11,490%. Let's see how much money they are making so far. So the total premium, $4 million. I don't know why they don't allow me to. Anyway, I need to use my calculator. Let me check here and I tell you guys. Hold on. I don't know how to use Excel. Uh, 4,556,758 plus 11490%. They make almost this is the amount of money they already make. Almost $1 billion. So $4 million became almost $500 million. So this is the amount that this player make in less than 1 month. So tomorrow, Delta shows strength at the open. Today they bought some calls, and we have almost you have trillion, $500 million in the table. So we will allow them to. This will be bigger than this one because the price 4,250 now. Let me check here for tomorrow. Tomorrow is 23, call 4,000. Oi, filha. 4,250. Oi, filha. This contract is costing. Hold on, let me help my daughter. Aqui, mano. Segura aqui, filho. This contract is costing right now 135.60. So their premium is higher than this. 4,556,758 plus 13,406%. So the total premium that they have right now is more than 96,385. So they made $4 million, became more than $500 million. Okay, so make totally sense. Delta is showing us strength. Back test 4,309, maybe 4,400, or even close the gaps. Allow dealers to close their calls, put profit, in their pocket, and then they could be dumped. Could you be the opposite of today? As I said, yes. But market so far, dark pool so far show strength. Okay? Looking for the key support, key level 4,380. Market trend to be traded between 4,383 and 4,381 and 4,384. That's what the delta suggests until they decide what will be the real movement. Okay? But open to tend to be really strange according the delta setup. Close a gap, totally reasonable. We have been printing over here, break even 4,411, 4,415. If you want to put like 10 points spread, 4,425. So I start to look for 4,425 as a maximum upside, but I don't disregard to see a rejection at 4,395. Allow them to close all those contracts with a lot of premium, especially here, and then market will be allowed to start to go down. Okay, but so far delta shows strength. Market will be trade between 4,381.70 and 4,384.40. We could just see a break at 84, test 95, and maybe you could see a rejection at 95 and start to go down, the opposite of today, allowing dealers to close out their call with a huge premium. Reviewing today, what was my mistake? I went against the deltas. I went against my own analysis. Guys, take care. Enjoy your day. Enjoy tomorrow. So looking for 4,390, 4,395. If you break, don't close your eyes. 4,425 could you be printed tomorrow. We could see a rejection at 9 and start to be going down. Key support 4,380. Bye guys, take care.